Okay, so I'm gonna start here. So this is the tree that we have uprooted, not last night, night before last night. It was laying on our house. So that's one thing I gotta deal with today to figure out. And if you come up here, you have our neighbor has lost like half of their trees. Yeah, then we got the tops of that broke out and came down. So it broke there, it broke there. I think it broke in one more area. Not seeing it. You got a hanging branch. I don't know if you can see that up there that I got to figure out how to get down. Come over this way some more. The top of that little tree fell out. That tree fell. I haven't even walked over here. So, oh, see, that's the top of that tree is laying in our neighbor's yard. This tree fell. It's probably part of that mess right there. You got more hanging branches from broken limbs. So his trees came down, pretty much all of them, into our yard. So that will be fun. But that part's actually nice in my mind because it's going to really open up the room to see. That back corner is going to be a lot more usable. The tree came, top of that branch broke off. That's a small one though. That one's not bad. This area held steady for us, but look at our poor neighbors' houses. They have all those trees down right there. Those came down. That one splintered and came out. And you walk over this way. Their trees came down, laying in their pool. This tree is 80% dead, so I'm gonna have to take it out. That big branch came off. Where did that one come off of? Came off of that tree up there. So if I come around, yeah, so that branch broke off, came down. The top of that tree came out, is laying right here. We got a couple pieces over there on the road. So actually we did better than a lot of other people because luckily the trees over the house were mostly cut down and the ones that weren't didn't fall, which was lucky. All right.